The Gut Raincoat Stitch is a beautiful adaptation of an edging stitch used by the people of the circumpolar region to secure and make their raincoats waterproof. To work this, make a row of the running stitch with consistent stitches. Work a parallel line by stepping the stitches, which means the stitches will fall right under where there are gaps in the previous row. Observe that when your curve is convexing or is outwardly, the stitches will get longer to compensate for the space. When the curve is concaving or is inwardly, the stitches get smaller to get accommodated in the lesser space. With another colored thread, come out under a stitch that is stepped towards the inside. Pass it under the stitch and the one stepped outwards in the other row. Turn and pass under the stitch next to it, going back under the very first stitch. Continue this process. If the tip of the needle is giving trouble, use the blunt side to pass under the stitches. The Gut Raincoat Stitch makes beautiful edges and decorative borders. I hope you liked this stitch. Let me know if you have by liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you so much for watching.